Hey friends, I just got the new Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead. This month's theme is Rainforest, and I cannot wait to dive in and show you everything that's inside. This is such an amazing subscription, and you won't find beads like this anywhere else. John Bead has been buying beads for 70 years. They have warehouses full of beautiful, antique, hard to find beads, and they are including them in this subscription bead box. You can't beat it, I'm telling you. Are you ready to jump in? This bead box just dropped and it's already almost sold out. The theme is Rainforest and it is beautiful. I know they make a few extras, so get in there ASAP. The first thing you always see is the postcard with the theme and a story about the inspiration on the back. Definitely read it. It will inspire your creativity. The first thing I see is this exquisite set of glass lamp beads with silver foil linings in pinks and purples. There are tiny flowers on the ovals, and the pink tube beads could be worn alone or on a simple chain or cord. Next, another box of lamp beads in beautiful greens and 28mm peacock circles. Here's a strand of large glass bears in multi-metallics, reminds me of Colorado. This big gossamer bag has glass-pressed butterflies and leaves in opaque yellow, also green leaves, plus stunning turquoise tubes, and big, chunky, striated round beads that look like agate. This bag has check triangular beads, lots of rounds, some are matte with an AB coating. There are two-tone in olive and topaz and glass-pressed rounds in olive matte. Here we have check glass pressed beads mixed with a glass pressed mojito mix in different greens, the perfect rainforest mix. This strand of check engraved glass pip beads look just like seeds. I love that John Bead includes things like a 100% natural hemp cord in different colors. Great for macrame jewelry pieces, plus there's 42 feet in this package, enough to last you a year. John Bead is so generous with their seed beads, and this month they have 3 large tubes of check pony beads in turquoise, transparent crystal, and chalk yellow. Here are some lime green jump rings mixed with fishhook earring wires and green and copper glass rectangles. Open this up and you're halfway to a beautiful pair of earrings. Add some more beads to those earrings using these 1-inch silver head pins. I just finished a loom beaded project and I can always use some extra beading needles. I'll put a tassel on anything that doesn't move. John Bead also included these little butterflies just for fun, but I'm still going to glue them on a greeting card. Finally, the Rainforest sticker and the collectible Rainforest pin. This beautifully curated box is the perfect representation of a rainforest, and I can't wait to get started creating with it. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.